Valutrades. Welcome back, traders. Opening a live account with Valutrades is a straightforward process. A live account will allow you to deposit real money and allow you to benefit from the profits, but to get going, you will need to follow the rules set out by financial regulators. For the most part, the requirements are fairly easy and standard in most countries, but some countries may require something extra like notarization of documents. Please confirm the requirements for your country by viewing the page, "What documents do I need?" You may use the link posted just below this video or on the YouTube card on the screen now. Simply click on the Open Live Account on the Valutrades website and select the jurisdiction with which you may trade. You may complete the form with your Facebook or Google profile or add your details manually. The most important thing to keep in mind is that your name and details must correspond to the documents you will provide, or you may experience delays. Select your account type with the server closest to you. Different jurisdictions allow for different types of accounts, so if you don't understand these, simply ask for help on the Valutrades chat line. You are required to answer a series of questions regarding yourself, your source of funds, and your experience with trading, so please read these carefully and answer honestly. At this point, you will receive a series of emails. If you don't already have one, you will receive details of your Valutrades client area. You will also be asked to confirm your email address if you hadn't done that previously. As well, a reminder email will ask you to upload the required documents. As you can see, there are specific documents required, and you should pause the video now to study these. Keep in mind that you may need to photograph or scan both sides of your ID. Also, for the best practices in photographing or scanning documents, please pause the video and study this screen. In your client area under My Documents, you will see the documents required for your account, and you may simply upload them from your computer. You will note a pending status while we confirm these documents. Usually, if all documents are in order, you will receive a confirmation within 1 working day. You will receive emails confirming your live account with details of your MT4 or MT5 login and download if you don't already have a Valutrades trading platform. Note that the server you will need to select will include the word "real," indicating a live account. Congratulations! You are ready to start trading with real funds. In your client area, you will see an account with a 0 balance, and you may click Fund Account. As you will see, there are a variety of ways to fund your account, but keep in mind that no matter which service you use, it must be in the same name as your Valutrades account and must not be in joint names. Again, if you have any questions, you may find us on the chat line. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.